skyline looks frozen tonight. Like time stopped beyond the horizon.
Feels emotionally absent, like the city forgot its own identity. Electric tension beneath sleepless eyes, static pressure underneath pale skin. Even silence feels unfamiliar now, frozen, distant, disconnected. Signal fading, night expanding, no ending beyond the skyline.
still standing somehow. No sleep, still working. Mind running faster than the city. Cold rain, long trains. Too much noise inside my chest, but I keep moving. Stay sharp, stay breathing. Can't let the pressure slow me down, 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 down. Kick drum smashing through steel walls, smoke hanging low across the crowd. Bodies moving under red strobes, like survival turned into rhythm. Acid line crawling through the darkness, like stress becoming raw momentum. No fake confidence here tonight. Everybody can carry in something heavy. Sweat dripping onto black concrete. Heartbeat sync to the groove. Don't lose yourself. Don't lose yourself. Keep moving now. Keep moving now. Some days hit without warning. Everything feels heavier than usual. Low energy, no silence. Too many thoughts after midnight. Still wake up though. Still step back into the fight. That's real strength. Not pretending life feels easy. Just refusing to disappear inside the pressure. Baseline shaking through the ribs like the warehouse breathing with us. Raise the heat, raise the sound. Feel the whole room turning electric. Push harder, stay locked in. Don't let the darkness settle in. Empty mornings, I know, staring at walls at 4 a.m. Still breathing though, still trying to build something better. Warehouse smoke, concrete floors. Bodies moving like one machine. Acid tearing through the system, like fear finally losing power. No perfect future waiting outside. Still we keep moving forward. Still we move. Still we move. 'Cause we are. 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 '
go. The Iron District never sleeps. district keeps breathing through smoke and steel. Reflections through the rain, broken skylines shake again, static breathing fills the dark, pressure building inside my head. To break.